Okay, this is a short video about what not to do with your Subaru and how to destroy it in a relatively short period of time. So what the go is here is, I've just bought this Subaru Forester. It's 2012, and somebody spent, just before I bought it, get this, $7,000 on this new engine here. $7,000. The receipt sitting in the glove box when I brought it, and I picked up the car for $5,500, so I was pretty happy with that. 2012 Forester. This is what not to do. And what not to do is put one of these oil filters on. Whatever brand it is, I don't really care. Seems like most of the auto shops don't have a clue that you need an anti-siphon oil filter. Just ignore the brand if you like. I'm not advertising Ryco. It's just, I'm trying to show you here that you need an oil filter that has a non-return valve. And you can see there, it's got on the side of this packet here, it's got with anti-drain back valve. That's what you need. I noticed every morning when I started this car up, the engine rattled like crap. And only for a couple of seconds, but I just knew it wasn't getting any oil, and then it would quiet down straight away. I realised pretty early on that somebody had put the wrong oil filter on this, and unfortunately the shops still will tell you that some of these oil filters are the correct ones. They're not. They're for the earlier engine outbacks with the oil filter on the bottom, not on the top. So my thinking is that this car's probably had the wrong oil filter on it for a long time, and that's possibly why these people had to replace the engine at about 190,000 Ks. So I hope that helps you. Cheers.